So we're back, and so we have here the Great Train, and guess what, guys? There's no mechanical problem. Well, from what I can see, I can feel the motor does still have magnets. So this is the motor right here. It's not even secured in place, which I think is what these two screws are for. So I discovered, literally right then, that this wire is not connected. So, problem diagnosis. Is the simple fact that les train does not work because well, it's just not wired up properly. As you can see here.
It's just low connection. It's got one bar.
This what?
It's only had one bar. You don't have enough.
However, as you can see here, the train does still.
Plus, I'm inside as well. I can't transmit.
As you can see here, if I turn this, the train does move forward. However, les motor does not work. Well, the motor does work, but it just needs a bit of connection. So, I'm going to screw the motor back in, if I can, because it was very, very difficult to get out. I might actually take this rear wheel off to get it in. Actually, no, I won't, because that would just be more work. You're playing that dinosaur game again.
It's quite okay, isn't it?
Yeah, but I only choose what I want to hear. Okay. Where did the screw go? Okay, so that's screwed in place. I'm just screw this one in. Okay, so that works. Okay, so if I now get my cord and my wires, show my positive in there. My positive. Ah, so it earthed out through the back wheels. Ah, there you go. So power came in through here. So there you go, I've got it now. So power comes in through the front wheels. So that's positive. Goes into the motor, comes out negative. So there we go, that's that. Oh, we have life. We have life. the train works. Sort of. So all we need to do, it works. It works. So it's not a fault of the motor, it is actually a fault of the wiring. So, diagnosis, faulty wire. Solution, solder. So, I'll put this screw in here and close that up, like so. Just put the cover on for now. I'll leave the wire, well, to put the cover like that for now. I'll leave the wire just hanging out, just to remind us that that is the problem. So, the train works. Now for the Eleanor Central. So, as we've already seen, this one does not work at all. Like, there is literally nothing. And I think I found the problem already. So, there are some screws here. I will disconnect. So this is the screw for the back carriage. So they're not inseparably joined. They are separately joined, but they're not. It takes a lot to separate them. That's a small screw with a big thread. Aha. Okay, so it is inseparably joined, unless of course you completely disassemble the entire train. We've worked it out now. We just wedge this off like so. No, not gonna come off. So I think that I'm going to need some smaller screws to actually get into this train. So if we just wedge that off like so. No, you're not going to come off? Okay. So there is something wrong with it. I'll just take off. Oop. Why is that carriage still connected? Right, I'm taking it off. I'm right back to the front carriage. This is such a long thread for such a small screw. Come on, out you come. Come on. It is loose, you can see that's loose. Why is that still connected? Ah. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to need some smaller screwdrivers to screw off this entire bogie here. Then I can get to that screw on the other side. Ugh. Oh, hang on a minute. Is that a bolt or... Hang on a sec. If I hold this... Wait, no. Sorry, if I get this... Ah, it's a bolt. Okay, so if I gently rotate this, or if I just pull that up, right now I need to hold it. Here we go. There we go. That is now off. I hope. There we go. Screw is now out. That was a... There we go. Back carriage is off. Okay. So. Now we know that there's going to be another one on here. So if I rotate that all the way like that... and then insert a wire. Oh wait, no, if I get this here, there it comes, there it comes. This is it, here we go, come on. Oh, there we go, the bolt is off. The bolt is off, repeat, the bolt is off. Okay, there we go, so that's that. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the gearing. The gearing is intact. The gearing is intact, repeat, the gearing is intact. Okay, but that does not look very safe to take off. So it looks like I'm going to need some smaller screws, and there's a spare bolt here for some reason. Weird. Alright, so it looks from the fact that that bolt was... yeah, there's a magnet here. I think the motor is actually at the back here. So my screwdriver's not going to fit down there. Oh, hello, the wheel's coming out. Okay. So if I can just wedge this out like so. There we go. Okay, so the gearing all looks intact. Question is, how am I going to get past this? And also, where is the wires for this thing? Yeah, the motor's definitely at the back. If you see there, the train's trying to tilt that way. I think the front does light up, so we can find the connectors. Just take that out. It's amazing. Okay, so if we can. No, I'm gonna need some Hornby, some hobby, some hobby screws for that one. Okay, so that one's in progress. This one will need fixing via a solder, which I can find in another place. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure out how to fixing this one. So. Hopefully in the next episode we'll have another train to dismantle. Hopefully. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later. Bye.